Hi, I'm Simon and I'm a misfit.
Hi, I'm Leroy and I'm a misfit too.
So welcome to this video series where we're going to show you how to transform a cheap plastic pool into a magnificent piece of art like what you see here.
We did a bit of research to find out how much a professionally made swimming pool would cost. And we found after Googling around a bit that the bare minimum you can expect to pay is about $20,000.
And for $20,000, you're not going to get much more than a very simple pool without any kind of decoration or landscaping. Now you'd be amazed to hear how little we spent to make this submarine swimming pool sculpture.
Yeah, that's right. This pool, including all materials, cost us less than $2,000.
That's right, less than $2,000, which is about 10% of the bare bone minimum for a professionally made pool.
For this project, we were inspired by the Beatles, so we decided to make our pool in the shape of a yellow submarine.
Yeah, and we've even jazzed it up with this giant squid that's sitting on the front. Also, we've painted each of the Beatles in the windows across the submarine, just like how you see it in the music video. And also we've attached this trim of LED lights around the rim for a really cool effect at night.
But you can make your pool in any shape you like. Whatever you're inspired by. You could do a giant teapot, a flying saucer, a pirate ship, wherever your imagination may take you.
So in this video, we're going to show you all of the tools and materials you need to get the job done. Also, we're going to show you how to prepare the ground so that you're ready to start. In the next two videos, we're going to show you how to actually build the sculpture.
You want to create a border of 20 centimeters around your pool. By adding 20 centimeters to your radius, your diameter is now 40 centimeters larger than the pool. Firmly place a peg in the center of your pool and using a rope, mark out a circle. The tools and materials we used for this project were a level,
a spade and a pickaxe,
3/8 and 1/4 inch rebar,
1 inch and 1/4 inch metal mesh,
construction grade wire,
pliers,
a hacksaw,
sand,
cement,
buckets,
a pipe bender,
cement spatulas and trowels,
rubber trowels for smoothing,
sandpaper,
cement sealer, primer and paint.
So once you know where your pool's going to be, dig the ground so it's nice and level. Little tip to make the pool deeper, you can dig out a crater in the center of the pool. For our pool, we took an extra 30 to 35 centimeters out from the center, progressively coming up to the edge of the pool. So now that you've got your ground prepared, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is to build the metal armature. Follow the next video and we'll show you how. Remember to subscribe to our channel and to ring the bell to make sure you're notified every time we have a new video.